control V it. I'll bring it here and here. First, I have to put that back up just a bit. I'll put that there, like this, this. Right, the thing, and put the image and control 7. And I'll bring that this band right here and make the picture a bit smaller using shift. Now that's enough. That should be enough. So they added also a yellowish tone, so we'll also do that. So to do that, we can do is that we can just, so now let's change the blending mode and select this circle, go to opacity, this letter, and over here that's the blending mode. So now let's click on it and let's select which looks better. I think multiply will look like similar to it. So now we can just make this cube over here. First, just make this normal. Move this, and put that back. And now we can just change our normal again to multiply, and that's it. So now we can just click on it again, go back to opacity, and opacity and mask these two, and now this should work. Yes, that's working. Okay, so now just copy the same text over here, bring it up right here, and just bring this down. This same text, bring it down, and the same text, bring it down. So let's break this one a bit down and change the color to orange. That now like that. So that's done. So let's bring that up. Let's bring this a bit up, and let's bring this a bit up. And that's also done. So let's add two pictures. We just add the same picture. Let's actually just go back. Let's go to this. Copy image from here. Control V. And now you can just click on this and go to the blending mode. I mean, first let's swap the colors. Then come here. Put this back. Look at front. Keep it here. Like this. Control 7. Make the picture smaller. Double click to resize it. Make the picture smaller, like this much. And this should fit proper. Yes. Now we can just do the same thing for this one. Just add the same picture. Control V. And put it back. Bring it up. This. Control 7. Double click this. And now you can fix the image. That's it. And do it again. That's it. Okay, do it again. Now let's resize it. And just keep it up there. I'm teaching you this again so that you remember how to do it. Because I can just copy that up and to the down. But so that you understand, that's how I'm doing it again. Let's add a bit information for them right here and right here. So now comes the kind of hard part. So now you can just add the big circle over here. You can also make it using the shape tool, but this will be much easier for us. And you can just add it like that. And just complete it. That's it. And complete it. And now you can just bring this here and just make it smooth a little bit. That's it. That's it. That's a perfect semicircle. And now you can just bring it here. Make the size a bit bigger and check where it should, wait till where it should come. And I think it should come. Actually, first you have to copy this and add it over here too. And now we can just click on this and check. So right now we have to put this at the back. Bring it back front. So bring it back. So this is what I've got so far. Now I'm going to bring it front. This one. Semicircle. So the semicircle. Now we can change the color to yellowish. Some kind of yellow color. Let's check. Should be a dark yellow. Let's do this much. Okay. Which is orange. Yeah, orange. Let's change the color to orange. That looks proper. So now I can just select this, and this, bring it up, and then I can just put this here. Now I can just bring this one step down, this one, that's it. And that's, I think that much, it should be this much. And make this a bit bigger, this one and this one. Just control 2 this to lock it, control 2 this to lock it, and select the whole thing and group it so that it's going to be easier for us to do it. And control alt 2 to begin it, unlock it, and we just make this a bit bigger. That's it. And this much, this part's done. So now we can add the rest of the information. First like this, bring a bit up. That's it. So now what we have to do is we have to add a bit more information to the right side. So let's just take a screenshot of this side. So it's gonna be easier for us. And just paste it for here. But this won't work. So let's